My name is Chef Autumn Patti. I am the Program Director for the Culinary and Baking and Pastry Arts programs here at HACC, Central Pennsylvania's Community College. So the Fund for Excellence for the Benjamin Olewine III Center for the Study of Culinary Arts and Food Service Management is just that, a fund to really push us to be excellent, more than we are already. I feel we have great programs, we have great facilities, but we can do more. And in the future we'll need to do more to stay on the cutting edge of the current trends, and I think our students can really benefit by pushing themselves to be even more excellent. They can go out in the field and do competitions, both locally as well as nationally. In addition to helping the students directly with competitions, we can help the broader spectrum of students with keeping our facilities up to date. It would be nice to have something such as a charcuterie chamber, something that we can really enhance that experience of making sausage, of making and curing our own meats like bacon, and really having the proper techniques and tools that we need. Our instructors, our faculty members can increase their knowledge and continue to learn as we go to conferences, as we, again, learn these current trends and bring them back to the classroom and implement them with our students and keeping up to date. And really putting ourselves on the map with competitions and getting out there and giving our students real life experiences and that pressure of the competitions, and again, for them to be able to apply what they've learned. This fund pushes us to be excellent, even more than we already are. This is giving us the financial backing and the support to say, go out there and create new things, be innovative, really try things that you normally wouldn't, because we're giving you the opportunity to do so, which is awesome. Please join me in giving to the Fund for Excellence for the Benjamin Olewine III Center for the Study of Culinary Arts and Food Service Management.